Suppose you have two vectors, A and B. The magnitude of the component of vector B that is normal to vector A is given as the magnitude of vector B times the sine of the angle between vector B. And that is equal to the magnitude of the cross product between vectors A and B divided by the magnitude of vector A. So what do we mean by the component of vector B normal to vector A? Well, imagine this. If you draw a line from the head of vector B down perpendicular to the axis on which vector A lies, notice how we get a right triangle. Now that right triangle has a leg that is from trigonometry given as the magnitude of the hypotenuse of the right triangle, which in this case is vector B, times the sine of the angle between vector B and the axis on which vector A lies. So that piece, that length of vector B that is perpendicular to vector A, and you can say it like this: the amount of vector B that is perpendicular to vector A. That piece right there can be found by the cross product. Because remember, the cross product, the magnitude of the cross product between two vectors is equal to the product of the magnitudes of each vector times the sine of the angle between them. So if we divide both sides by the magnitude of vector A, where we're treating vector A as if it's an axis on which we're projecting vector B upon, if we divide both sides by the magnitude of vector A, we end up with the side opposite that angle in the right triangle we drew. So that means that side, that component of vector B that is perpendicular to A, is equal to the magnitude of the cross product between vectors A and B divided by the magnitude of vector A. And I will just call this the component of vector B normal or perpendicular to vector A.